Hey everyone, today we're at 3940 XX3 in Sterling Point. We are in a quiet neighborhood over here, and we are 3 from the end, if that helps describe it. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Let me wipe my shoes off. It's a gross day here in North Carolina, but we have a beautiful living room. This area is huge. We do have a closet here on the right. And as we head into our kitchen area, over here on the left there is laundry hookups with cabinets on top. Nice kitchen nook area. And this kitchen that opens up to the kitchen nook area and our outside patio. Right here off the kitchen we do have our first half bath, very convenient if you have people over. And here's just a really great look of the kitchen. It's very spacious out here. And this is our back patio area. Really great size for a table and chairs just to hang out and enjoy the nicer North Carolina weather. So let's head upstairs. Upstairs we do have both bedrooms and a full bath. We have a closet straight ahead. And now we will enter bedroom number 1. This bedroom is a Jack and Jill style bedroom. We do have 2 closets over here, and they're both a really good size, so it gives you tons of storage. I'm not going to take you through the Jack and Jill part of the bathroom, but you can see for yourself where the door is. That's the door for the Jack and Jill part. Double vanity, tub shower, very nice. Another closet up here, and then we do have bedroom number 2. These bedrooms are a really great size, guys. Don't forget about the zoom of my camera. Really, really large. And here we go. I am in the corner. So, apply today online or visit any of our other properties at flagshiproundproperty.com.
Renting from Flagship Property Management is easy and has so many advantages. You can pay your rent and make maintenance requests online. There's a 24-hour emergency maintenance hotline, and we have ethical and professional office staff along with so much more. If you like the property that you saw, schedule a viewing online at flagshiproundproperty.com, or as always, give us a call at 252-364-4944.